Hello, today we are going to take care of fixing this absolutely beautiful solar motion activated LED light. It is a top tier in terms of quality and it was working extremely well for many years, but it's starting to wear out and the fault is in the battery. So we are going to replace it. I know for a fact the device is working because when I was shining a light to the panel, the lamp was glowing, so I know for a fact the solar panel is okay, the charging circuitry most likely also. I'm pretty sure when you are thinking of solar light, you are thinking about a garbage, about something that you stick to the soil with a tiny solar panel on top that basically never will be able to recharge the battery fully. But here we've got a device that was a high quality, was built for German market, and it was acting extremely good. Most likely the first thing that you are going to notice is that the light fixture with the battery and the passive infrared sensor is separated from the solar panel, and the idea is that you can put it around your roof in location that got a good sun exposure. You can grab a correct angle the best, and most likely the best spot is not going to be the place that you would like to have your light. So having it separated makes absolutely a lot sense. Here you can see the name of the product and you've got all the specification: IP44, 1 watt peak, this is the solar panel, nickel metal hydride, 3.6 volts, 1 and 3 amp hour. And we are going to replace that battery with something bigger if the space inside allow us to do. So this is how it looks like. We've got an absolutely beautiful solar panel. Since it is a quality equipment, you can see a silicone seal around the connector that is making sure no water is go into. Here is a LED light that is showing you a status. It can be red or green. We've got the on-off switch and those two lamps that are like a Cree LED. They are extremely bright. You can always arrange them like you want, so they can go like this. Plus you've got ability to rotate them like that, so you are going to get the best possible exposure. So here is your wall, and here you can make all the adjustment and the motion sensor. So let's take a look. Let's remove this. Let me unplug it from the solar panel and let's try to open it. Is this the only thing? Maybe I have to pull that. And we can see a absolutely beautiful build quality. We've got the insert and like a silicone gasket that should last forever. This is not a rubber, that looks like a silicone. And it is true because we've got a zero water inside. And yes, it was outside. Here you can see some like insects was living there, so that was outside, but we've got a zero water inside. And here is our battery pack that looks like this, made in Germany, very good. And this is how it looks like. We've got a fuse and the switching circuitry, because it is very clever. This is the genuine battery pack, and I'm going to create my own by following that look. And we are going to get a better capacity. I'm pretty sure we can beat them, and since it is a nickel metal hydride, I can use like a envelope or IKEA. I created this battery pack, and since we are using the nickel metal hydride, I decided to use the IKEA ladder. As you can see, we've got almost double the capacity, and that's mean if we are going to get like a 2 days of shade, this device is still going to be fully operational. Plus those are a low self-discharge, so we are going to get a big improvement, and I managed to get the same alignment, and now we are just going to connect those terminals. This is what we've got. It's most likely don't look very impressive, but it is safe. We've got it spot welded, and that's mean I do not put heat on the gasket inside. I've got it covered with a Kapton tape, so we've got no problem in this going to pierce the insulation and creating short. And we are ready to add a little bit tape here and put it back. And we go like that. I hope we've got enough room to fit it. Let me rearrange the wires so we are not going to get any problems. We've got this very nice holder. I hope it's going to expand. The connector is here, so let's make it closer. And is it going to fit? Here is our battery. Let's connect it. We are ready to try it out. As you can see, I've got my studio light on and the lamp is not working. It is turned to on. We've got the light going inside. We've got a green LED, but it's not working, and that's because we've got this artificial light that is enough to trigger the sensor. So let me turn the light off. And as you can see, it turned on. And as you can see, we've got the absolutely beautiful light. Let's put it like this, so the infrared sensor will be heading that way. And I'm going to stop move. And we are going to try to trigger it. So give it a moment. The light is off. No movement is detected. And I'm moving my hand. And it's nicely shine. So let's do the experiment back again. I'm going to turn on light, let it start recharging, and we are going to make sure that it's not going to be turning on while the daytime. It's already off and it's not reacting to any movement. So as you can see, we've got a beautiful fix, plus we are make an improvement of having a larger capacity battery, and that is going to give you a more runtime in case of couple days straight of a hazy weather. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time, and bye bye.